Hey guys, it's Doha from CraftCrunchr, and today I'm going to show you how to make these cool marbly earrings out of hot glue. Let's get started. To make the earrings, you'll need wire, some pliers, acrylic paint, a paintbrush, a hot glue gun, some foil, I recommend non-stick, fishhook earrings and backings if you want backings, 2 large jump rings, mine were about a ½ inch in diameter, and a small pin or toothpick. To start off, I'm just cutting out 2 pieces of wire about a ½ inch long, and then I'm folding it in half to create a sort of loop to attach the earring to the fishhook. Once you fold it in half, it should look something like this. Then it's time to hot glue. Now you can place your 2 jump rings on the non-stick foil and place your 2 folded wires on top of the jump rings like so. Then I pulled out my hot glue gun and I filled the jump rings with glue so it was a solid piece. Don't wait too long to peel the hot glue off of the foil or it'll be really hard to peel off, especially if you're not using non-stick. Once the hot glue is totally dry, you can paint it. And you can really paint it any way you want, but I'm going to be showing you guys how I did a marble effect on this today. I started by covering the hot glue piece in a full layer of white acrylic paint. Then I took some blue paint and mixed it with a little bit of water just to make the blue a little more runny than the white to make it easier to swirl. I just added drops of blue paint on top of the white. And then I took my pin and swirled the blue around in the white to give it a really cool swirled marbly effect. Once you're done, you can set it to dry. Once the paint is totally dry, you'll want to seal it to protect it once you wear the earrings. You can use something like Mod Podge, but today I'm using some clear nail polish. Just make sure you cover the paint in a full layer of sealant so that it doesn't chip once you start wearing the earrings. Once you've glazed them, you can set them off to the side again to dry. Once it's totally dry, it's time to attach it to the fishhook. I used some pliers to open the loop. Then I slipped on the earring piece. After that, I used my pliers to close the loop once again, so we have a full earring. Do the same to the other and slip on some backings if you want, and you're done. And this is how the earrings turned out. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.